Hello everyone! Christmas and New Year are coming. That's why I'm standing here in this red Grandpa Frost's hat. So, what I wanted to say is this. It's been a really tough month for me, all those health problems and a lot of other problems. So, I realized that I don't have any Christmas mood, that Christmas spirit. And I found a solution for myself. How about combining learning Russian and preparing for the holidays? So I've decided to create a mini Russian language course. The goal here is not really learning Russian. It's more about feeling the joy, being excited about the upcoming holidays. So I invite you to my new special New Year course. What are we gonna do there? We will watch Russian New Year movies and discuss them and do exercises. We will talk about the most popular Russian Christmas and New Year songs. We will learn how to write a letter and to say Happy New Year and Merry Christmas to your Russian friend or, pen pal, anyone. We will share our emotions. We will learn the new vocabulary about all the decorations, about all those joyful and happy things. So I hope we will organize a chat, a group in Telegram, so we'll be able to share everything. So yeah, if you want to learn how we celebrate New Year and Christmas in Russia, if you want to learn some new vocabulary related to this period, and if you simply want to share this month with me, join. The link will be below this video, and let's all create some Christmas mood here. And I see you tomorrow in my live reading as usual. Bye bye.